Hello, I'm Tuncay Demirtaş from IGA Istanbul Airside Operation Coordination Chief from the Istanbul Airport. This week at Trotec, I'm involved in testing of the Overaasen RS 400 snow removal equipment. Simulation training replicates real-world situations to prepare operators for critical tasks. The benefits of simulation training include safer training, reduced equipment wear, lower operational costs, and improved readiness for emergency conditions. We face challenges such as limited real-world snow even for practice, safety risks during live training, and high equipment costs. Training for winter operations involves preparing staff for unpredictable, high-risk conditions. Trotec simulators provide real-life, hands-on training by closely copying real vehicles and using realistic scenarios. The RS 400 will be joining in the Rosenbauer Panther simulator, already in use on site. Both simulators use the same CyberDrive base unit, allowing the cabs to be easily swapped. Firefighter operators have given good feedback. They say the simulator feels real and helps them build confidence by training in a safe place without any risk to people or any equipment. The biggest upgrade in firefighters' operations are more confident drivers, quicker response times, and safer handling of emergencies. I have seen reductions in errors and faster response times for drivers.